Effect of churches' proliferation on residential rental values in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In developed countries, effective urban planning and zoning regulations have ensured compatibility between residential land uses and churches. Such regulations help balance the needs of religious institutions with those of residential communities, reducing potential conflicts. Unfortunately, in developing countries, planning regulations are less stringent, and there are a lot of conflicts between residential areas and churches' proliferation. This study investigated the effect of churches' proliferation in residential neighborhoods on residential property values in Uyo. A survey research design in which data were collected from 600 residential properties located around 30 churches in Uyo was adopted. Data were collected on the distance between churches and residential properties and the noise level from the activities of the churches. Data on other extrinsic and intrinsic factors affecting property values were also collected. The data collected were analyzed using the multiple regression analysis technique with the help of SPSS. The result of the analysis revealed that noise pollution from churches reduced property values by N771.49 per decibel, while proximity of the churches to residential properties reduced the property values by N316.94 per meter. The study concluded that churches' proliferation in residential neighborhoods negatively affects residential property values. The implication of this is that if the rate of proliferation of churches in residential neighborhoods is not controlled, real estate investors may be discouraged as their property values continue to decline. Further, the study recommends that urban planners should apply stringent measures to control the proliferation of churches, and regulations are needed to control noise pollution, especially from churches. Introduction. This study looks at how the large number of churches in residential areas affects the value of rental properties in Uyo, Nigeria. While churches can bring social benefits like stronger community ties, they can also create problems such as noise and traffic. In places like the US, rules help reduce these problems, but in Nigeria, where urban planning is often weak, the effects can be more noticeable. Previous studies have shown both positive and negative impacts, but many focused only on large Pentecostal churches or one part of Nigeria. This study takes a broader approach by looking at different types and sizes of churches, as well as other important factors like the neighborhood and property features. The findings aim to help city planners, government officials, and real estate investors make better decisions about managing land use and investments in growing urban areas. Conclusion. This study provides valuable insights into the factors affecting the rental values of residential properties in Uyo. The findings from the study revealed that the proliferation of churches in residential neighborhoods has a significant negative impact on residential property values. This negative impact is caused by proximity to churches and noise pollution from the neighborhood churches, which have caused a lot of inconvenience to the tenants due to the negative externalities. As a result of these negative externalities, tenants do not have a high demand for properties in close proximity to churches. The study also found that while church proliferation has a significant negative impact on residential property values, other factors like number of rooms, number of bathrooms, toilets, property condition, and public power supply positively influence residential property values. These findings can guide urban planners, property investors, managers, and tenants in making informed decisions to enhance property appeal and rental income. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.